So, good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. Today in our computer class, we will continue to write the question answers from the exercise that is from the chapter 4, computer keyboard. In our last class, we wrote question answer up to question number 2. So today we will start from question number 3. Okay, so please all of you take your computer copy, pencil, pen, eraser, everything, and we are going to start the class. Okay, so now the screen is visible by all of you? Is it? Shobik, can you see the screen? Shobik, yeah, okay, thank you. Good. Okay, so now we are going to start third question. So number 3 question is read. Yeah, with me, all of you, please write. Read the description. Read the description and match the correct key. Okay, match the correct key. That is the question. Now, A, erases character on the right side of the cursor. On the right side of the cursor. Okay, erases character on the right side of the cursor. So now among these, which one will match? Question number 3. So with this here, first of all, give a space. Here. Now here, as we can see, number 4. What is that? Delete key. We have studied in our chapter that delete key erases the character on the right side of the cursor. Okay, so now then B. Okay, B. Now B is moves cursor to the beginning of the next line. Okay, so now with this, which one matches? So here, as we can see, moves the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Okay, so here number 1, that is enter key. Okay, enter key. Here it is delete key. Now after B, number C. C is allows typing in capital letter. Allows typing in capital letter. Capital letters. Okay. So now capital letters allows typing in capital letters. So which key allows typing in capital letters? It is number 5, that is caps lock. Caps lock. Okay, caps lock. After C, then D. D allows typing numbers using numeric keypad. So what do we have in 2 number? That is numlock. If you press numlock key and the light glows, then it allows typing numbers using numeric keypad. Okay, so number D, then E. Number D is helps type the symbol. Helps type the symbol printed on a number key. Helps type the symbol printed on a number key. Which one? That will be shift key. Okay, that is shift key. Shift key. So now here we have shift. This is the answer for question number 3. Now after question number 3 we have question number 4. Then we have question number 4. What we have in the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. The correct option. So here we have, we are not writing here the options. Here we are not writing the options. Here we are not writing the options. So directly we are writing. Okay. So here we are not writing options, directly we are writing the answers. Is it clear? Here alphabet. Okay. Alphabet keys are used for typing words. Number B, there are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. Now see, dash keys are marked. So answer is function keys are marked. Function keys are marked from F1 to F12. Okay. Number D. Number D. Number D is D backspace space, yeah. The backspace key is used to erase anything. To erase anything. To erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Okay. Now E. So E number is the shift. The shift key allows to type in capital, even even if the caps lock key is off. Understood? Okay. Now let's move to question number 5. 5 is put a tick. Put a tick. Put a tick for the correct statement and a cross for the wrong ones. Okay. Now, then again we will start from A. Function keys are marked from F1 to F12. So it is true or false? It's true. Okay. So it is true. Here what we will give? We will give a right symbol. After that we have B. B is there are two shift keys. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. Yes, it is also true. So here we will put one more tick mark as this. Okay. Now C. What is C? The cursor is a yeah. The cursor is a box which the cursor is a box which you see when you type. So is it correct? No, cursor is not a box. Cursor is a blinking line. So here you will put cross. Here we will put a cross since the statement is not correct. After that we have number D. Number D, the enter key moves the cursor one place ahead. So this statement is also not correct since the enter key moves the cursor to the next line, not one place ahead. So after D, next we are going to write is E. So what we have in E, arrow keys are used to move. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor. Move the cursor in different directories. So directions. 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 Okay. So arrow keys are used to move the cursor in different directions. Yes. This one is a true statement. So here we put the right symbol. Okay. Now we have F. So number F is the caps lock, the caps lock key is used, caps lock key is placed on the left side of the keyboard. So this statement, the caps lock key is placed on the left side of the keyboard. Yes, this statement is correct. So here we will put the correct symbol. That is okay. Now after that we have question number 6. What we have? Question number 6. What do we have in question number? With the help of the pictures to find and circle the names of the keys of the keyboard. One has been done for you. So this one you need to do by yourself. Okay. Do by yourself. So here we have finished the question answer of this from this chapter. Here we have finished the question answer from this chapter. I hope all of you have written all the question answer. Okay, all the question answer you have written. So now all of you need to learn this question answer as soon as possible, because from next month your exam is going to be take place. So there are very short times. All of you please write. And the most important thing for you is from the next class we are going to discuss. What will be the question patterns and what you need to learn from the book. Means obviously the this exercise question answer, short question, fill in the blanks, true false, match the following. These things you need to learn. But with this there are something else. There are some other topics also you need to see, or there are some other patterns of questions also may come. Okay, so you need to learn all these things. So about all these means possible types of questions and possible questions, we will talk about all these things in our next class. So for today, up to this much. Okay, I hope all of you understood and all of you have written the question answer. If you fail to write the question answer, okay, in your copy, if you fail to copy the question answer in your live class, please write it from the class recording sent in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so with this, today up to this much. Thank you all.